This Saturday, Cinco de Mayo, we're having the best ever yard sale. More tools than I can count. More pots and pans and chairs, chainsaws, and
Tell them about the TVs.
big screen televisions.
You got the furniture too.
Well, not so much furniture unless you like chairs, but we got lots of chairs.
Did you tell them about all the chainsaws?
Got chainsaws.
Did you tell them about
chainsaws.
the hedge clippers?
Hedge clippers and ladders, and you look around. There's a tiller and
Bicycles. You got bicycles.
got bicycles and lawn furniture and deck
Appliances.
furniture,
Kitchen appliances.
small appliances.
Kitchen appliances.
Kitchen appliances, like he said, and all kinds of stereo equipment and etc. etc. We have yard tools. We have rakes. We got lickety split. We got bush axe. We got brushes and rakes and lots of shovels. See all those shovels? We got pitchforks and this stuff right here, hose. We also have bicycles, garden hoses, and garden watering tools, and lots of pots for planting all your plants in. They're really good for that. We have gas tanks, gas cans, sporting goods, gambling supplies, a gas weed eater with all kinds of attachments. You can get the attachments. Lawn furniture, deck furniture, and patio furniture. Rocking chairs for you older people. We have big screen televisions. More chairs. This is a vintage smoker. It's worth a lot of money because it's vintage. Kitchen implements, pots, pans, cast iron, genuine teak table and chairs, 6 chairs and a table. This is a kegerator, used to serve beer at your next party. Water features, small kitchen appliances, iPod and stereo equipment, swing, stainless grill, works good as hell. With assorted gaming instruments.